I'm Sergii from WhiteBIT, and I'm here to get you excited about the crypto as a service. I came from Europe, right? And Europe, as you might know, is old money. So you go to a bank and they say, well, it's not the time, there is no regulation in place, or we're still kind of stuck in the Web 2 world. And then you have to do a lot of educational stuff, in order for them to buy in and educate them about the Web 3 and all the reality they have to wake up to, right? And we have a very simple message for him, right? For them. So we say there is going to be about 1 billion people by 2028, which are going to be introduced to crypto. And they're going to transact in crypto, and it plays to store crypto, there needs to exchange value, and there got to be an infrastructure to that, for this, right? So 75, based on the recent studies, 75% of crypto owners would love to have this service from their bank, which is a primarily financial institution and the point of interacting with the financial world and managing their money, right? And of course, the over 50% of all the activity will come from the emerging markets. So our message to banks, EMIs, which is electronic money institutions, and all sorts of fintech is very simple. Don't miss out on this opportunity, because this is your way. This is the way to attract a younger audience, which is digital native, which is crypto native, into your franchise, into your platform, into your infrastructure, right? And of course, you have to partner up with someone who can who has already created all of this for you. So the benefits of adopting crypto as a service model is very simple. You basically reduce time to market, right? So instead of building this thing in-house, you can do someone like WhiteBIT, because we already built this for you. Of course, you save big on the integration cost. The only way you have to do is to integrate our API. Of course, you would need someone who you would outsource liquidity from, right? And there is no better place to go to than a centralized exchange like WhiteBIT. Of course, you want to have it to do and offer this service in a very secure and regulated environment. And we've already done this work, right? We already obtain licenses from multiple regulators around the world in order to make it happen for you. So if you look at the typical fintech crypto story, right? So what this service allows customers to do is to basically open accounts and hold crypto balances, transact in crypto, convert crypto to fiat back and forth, offering them on and off ramping, right? And charge you a very handsome 1.5% for these services, right? So the way it works is very simple. Just from one of the recent financial reporting done by one of the fintechs, their crypto as a service exploded, a few 100% since launch. And that's a testament to the interest that the wider population has to crypto. So a few words about WhiteBIT. WhiteBIT is a centralized exchange. We have 2.7 trillion volume last year. We have 35 million WhiteBIT group users. We have over 1,000 institutional customers. We are now offering over 800 trading pairs and over 300 assets on the platform. So essentially, there is a team of 1,200 people across 7 offices which are working day and night to build new products and ship them out to banks, fintechs, and EMIs around the world. We are not only a centralized exchange, we are also build an ecosystem around it, which is supporting a Visa card, which supports various on and off ramps, and which allows also to accept crypto payments if you basically a marketplace which want to sell things for crypto. As I've said, we've done a lot of legwork, and we hold over 20 licenses around the world. And all these licenses are basically being built for our corporate clients, so we can develop our B2B business, but also help other banks onboard the new B2C clients as well. We do work with all the providers which basically help us on the compliance side to do it in a transparent and very compliant manner. Our service are located in Europe, right? We have a powerful trading core, which is processing over 1.5 million transactions per second. And our API is so easy to integrate. It takes about a week to get you up and running. All in all, this is a turnkey solution, right? If you think about it, because we do the customer service, we provide AML checks, we provide liquidity, which is the most kind of precious asset in this market, and we also offer a very robust on and off ramp, offering 9 fiat currencies, and this number of currencies is just gonna grow. So that's why we say it's a very simple concept where you basically come to us. We do a KYB process. We offer our API that you can integrate in no time. And it comes also with a crypto on and off ramping. So a very streamlined and a very simple process to get you started. The service behind it is basically about the wallet address generation, right? So we generate wallet addresses for your customers on demand. They can create as many wallets as they want. And it works multi-network, right? So that's the beauty of it. So what becomes immediately available for a customer who would open an account with your app, they would be allowed to store balances. They would allow to exchange money for fiat back and forth, and they would be allowed to move money from one user to another. So one of the features that I've said is deposits and withdrawals. Everything is subject to real time checks. So that kind of covers you on the compliance side and gives you a peace of mind. And we kind of working tirelessly in order to add more on and off ramps in Europe and beyond, right? Thanks to our partnership with Visa, MasterCard, Clear Junction, Checkout, and we constantly also adding new currencies for the new markets that we are launching. The cherry on the cake is our offer. Is thanks to our global partnership with Visa, is a white label crypto card, right? So on top of everything, obviously, if you're a fintech, you have a card, but you also add crypto capabilities to it, right? And we can help you issue these crypto cards, so your customers can pay using their crypto balance straight away. Well, we know that many fintechs are experimenting with various formats and launching marketplaces, launching new products and features adjacent to their kind of current core offering, right? And this is where we also come to the rescue. So if your app wants to accept payments in crypto, we do crypto acquiring as well, right? So we let your customers to pay for the goods and services you sell in crypto, accepting your crypto balances. And it's available in 120 countries worldwide through any wallet. We accept about 140 cryptocurrencies, so your customers can choose from the wide array of assets. And this solution works both for point of sale, traditional point of sale, and also kind of online checkout. Yep. So I realize as I'm standing between you and lunch, so I'm not just going to be short and sweet. Overall, we have a great value proposition, right, in order to get you started and provide crypto as a service to your customers. So don't hesitate to reach out. We have a dedicated team, including onboarding, customer support, and account management, right? And in my experience, a regular bank which is not familiar with the Web3 can launch this new value proposition and start offering crypto to their customers in 3 months. So this is the shortest in my memory. Thank you so much. I appreciate the time.